Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share my first attempt at creating rigging blocks using CNC technology. I began by designing the blocks in Fusion 360. My goal this time was to simplify the process by avoiding the need to work on both sides of the material. Additionally, I needed to accurately cut the faces of the material. Once the details were cut, assembling them was straightforward. I simply joined two halves of each block. To ensure precise alignment, I used small pieces of brass wire as guides. Afterwards, I separated the individual pieces and smoothed any sharp edges with some sanding. Here is the initial result. Thank you for accompanying me on this journey. Put your thumbs up and stay tuned.